Hello, so this is the second video explaining the head office version redeployment planner split into different department. I've done a little bit, but I have far to go. Uh, if you haven't seen the first video, I'll leave the link up here and you can have a look. And so what I've noticed from this work is there are people who have first of all there was over 1,000 entries. So let's go down to a list and see how many we have. One there's 1,018. This is the row. So you minus a few for the top here and it's just over 1,000 entry. And then as I was working through it, I realized some people actually enter twice, sometimes 3 times. So what I've done is I've put in a frequency of the count here to count the frequency of this name appearing. And I've added all the number twos up and then divided by and halved it to tell you how many partners is actually being recorded twice. Okay, and then I noticed that there are people who are actually entered 3 times. Okay, so I would assume the latest entry will be the most accurate one. You know, the first one they just do it quickly and then they have a different idea and then they re-enter it. So I think Yvonne, she done it quite early on. She's one of the first people who've done it. So I'm going to use her name as an example. I'm going to copy this name. I put in a filter for this particular task. I will clear all the names. I'm going to paste Yvonne's name in and select it with a tick. Click onto here and press OK. Now there is this way you can actually make comparison between 2 different locations. Okay, so yeah, 2 days later, as you can see, she have thought of something else and she added on. So if you actually scroll down and just read the differences, you could actually just now notice here. Okay, 1 2 0. Delete this. Okay, can you see? So now it's 119 partners entered twice now. Okay. When you actually delete this, her name. Okay, I'm going to select all again. So I know it's row 23 here. Okay. Okay. Now her information which is here will always be here, but it's actually not picking up here. Because eventually my next step is I can actually have different tabs to pick up different planners. And if her name only appear once, she would actually be picked up on the last one. Yeah, but I'm just going to put Yvonne's name back. Hold on. Because I shouldn't be doing this. You guys should be reading it and doing this. Okay, so here you can't actually go and press the delete button because it will always come back. Because all of this data is actually reading from the spreadsheet which the head office have created, and as you can see is here. So no doubt somebody is going to start to type into here. So I'm just going to type into here, enter. The whole thing will disappear. I'm running out of time as well. The whole thing will disappear because, like I said, all of this is actually reading from another spreadsheet. I've got 15 seconds. So the formula, the root formula is actually held here. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.